Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to sort or rank your data in Google Sheets, especially when you're working with more than one column, this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to rank your data by multiple columns step by step, so your spreadsheets will not only look more organized, but also give you deeper insights into your data. Let's dive straight into the process using a clear example so you can see how it all works in real time. Imagine you've got a simple Google Sheet set up. In column A, you have some numbers. Let's call these column 1. And in column B, you've got column 2, also filled with numbers. Here are the values we'll use. Under column 1, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 5, and 4. And right next to them in column 2, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. These sets of numbers could represent anything, like sales numbers and weekly rankings, or perhaps scores from a competition. We're going to make our rankings in columns D and E. Column D will be our primary rank, and E will act as our tiebreaker using both columns. Let's start by ranking the numbers in column 1. Click into cell D2. This is where our first rank 1 result will go. Here, type this formula. Equals rank A2 $2, $1.08 true. The rank function here is really handy. The first part A2 means you're ranking the value in the current row. The second part tells Google Sheets which range you're comparing against all of column 1 from A2 down to A8. The true at the end is important. It tells Sheets that we want to rank in ascending order, which means smaller numbers get a higher rank. If you're used to rankings that give first place to the largest number, just keep in mind we're doing it in the opposite way right now. Once you've entered this formula in D2, grab the fill handle, the little blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell, and drag it down to D8. This will automatically rank every number in column 1. Now sometimes you'll have entries where the numbers in column 1 are tied. If you just leave it at that, all those tied entries would get the same rank. That doesn't always give you the full picture, so let's take it a step further. Head over to column E, which we'll use to create a more precise ranking that takes column 2 into account as a tiebreaker. In cell E2, enter the following formula. Equals rank A2 $2, $1.08 true plus countifs, AA A2 BB lesser equal and B2. This looks a little more complicated, but let me break it down. The rank function works the same way as before, but here we're adding something. COUNTFS checks where there are ties in column 1 and then counts how many numbers in column 2 are less than or equal to the current value. So for any tied items in column 1, the one with the lower value in column 2 gets ranked higher. Imagine it's like a race, and whenever there's a tie, you judge the winner based on the next event. After you enter that formula in E2, drag it down alongside your data. Don't worry if it takes a moment for Sheets to process, it's just crunching the numbers for all your rows. And that's it. With just these steps, you've built a dynamic two-level ranking system in Google Sheets. If your data changes, the ranks will update automatically. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. If you have any questions or if you want to see more content like this, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials every week. See you next time.